First, turn the power off. This protects the display and the battery. Then remove the screws and keep them aside. Open the front wiring area and pull the cable through carefully. Do not pull hard on the connector. Place the control switch on the handlebar. Check the angle first, then tighten the screw. Connect the display cable to the matching plug. Push it in firmly, then organize the extra wire inside the frame. Mount the display on the handlebar and connect the main plug. Before closing everything, check that the wiring is correct. Now tuck the display cable inside the front panel. Follow the original cable path, push the wire fully inside, keep it away from the screw holes and clips, and leave a little slack for steering. Then close the panel and make sure the wire is not pinched. After the cover is installed, turn the battery power back on. Then power up the display and check the screen. Finally, tie the cables neatly. Turn the handlebar left and right to make sure nothing is stretched or pinched.